What is up, guys? None of the sites in this video. I'm going to show you how to embed the fonts in Adobe Acrobat. So first, you need to choose your PDF, and then on the right side here at the top, you need to click on the three dots and then click on print this file. After clicking on print this file, here you will see the option of destination. Click on this and then choose the Adobe PDF. After choosing, click on More Settings, and after clicking on More Settings, click on Print using System dialog. After clicking here, you will see all the settings. Click on More Settings here on the left side, and from here, in the default settings, you need to choose the high quality print. After choosing the high quality print, you need to click on OK, and after that, you just simply need to click on edit, and after clicking on edit here you will see the embed thumbnails. Simply check this checkbox, and when you are done here you will see all the settings, which are the general settings, and from here in the compatibility section you need to choose the Adobe 5.0, or you can choose any of the options that you like, and you need to make sure that you have enabled the embed thumbnails. And if you see embed fonts, click on this fonts to embed your fonts, and here at the top, as you can see, the embed all fonts has been checked. So this is how you can embed your fonts in Adobe Acrobat. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.